Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most of people solve this question wrong, like this. Cancel 7 by this 7 is equal to 7 divide 1. Now 7 divide 1 is equal to 7. But this answer is completely wrong. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. So PEMDAS, according to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponent, then third priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division both have same priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, and then last priority is addition and subtraction, and also addition and subtraction have same priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So according to PEMDAS rule, here is the division and here is the multiplication. Both have same priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay. So 7. Now according to KCF rule, KCF means K means keep, C means change this sign, F means flip. Okay. So keep the first fraction as it is same. Now change this sign from division to multiplication. Flip the second fraction. Therefore 1 by 7. Flip this fraction. So 7 by 1 multiply 7. Okay. So first we have to solve this part. Therefore 7 multiply 7 is equal to 49 multiply 7. Now 49 multiply 7. So let's solve this part. 49 multiply 7. Okay, is equal to 3, 4, 3. Therefore the correct answer is 3, 4, 3. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.